Do your knees hurt? Are you, like me, one of 14 million adults in the US with knee osteoarthritis? If so, I want to tell you about an exciting opportunity to learn how to restore your knee health, eliminate pain, and enjoy moving again. I'm Chris Cinnamon. I'm head instructor at Chicago Tai Chi and author of Tai Chi for Knee Health, the low impact exercise system for eliminating knee pain. My Tai Chi for Knee Health system is an easy to follow, step by step program that will get you moving again without the pain. It's recommended by doctors, medical researchers, and healthy aging experts. It's helped thousands of adults across the US and in 13 other countries restore knee health and enjoy moving again. I want that for you too. I invite you to join me and a motivated group from across North America for my 2024 Tai Chi for Knee Health workshop. We've put together a terrific training package for you with more support and more resources to help you master Tai Chi for Knee Health, plus the opportunity to learn directly from me. For workshop details and to save your seat, check the description below this video. Join me in September to restore your knee health, eliminate pain, and enjoy moving again with my 2024 Tai Chi for Knee Health workshop.